If you want to close more deals, sell more apartments, more real estate, or even if you're selling apps, whatever it is, one of the big secrets is to join Facebook groups which are related to what you're selling. Now, it's completely free to join Facebook groups. All you do is you search for them. You probably know this already. You just search for them and click on join. And then here you are joining all the real estate groups that will probably be interested in things you are selling. You just click join, join, join. But that's just the first step. The second step is to share your post which you're trying to get reach into all those groups. And that's why I made this video. I'm going to show you how to automate this in one click, how to share to all of these new groups that you just joined. So you see, some of these groups have 97,000 people inside them. That's quite a big amount of people that are going to see your group. So here you can see me joining into all these groups. The next step in getting all of your new clients and closing more deals is to click on multi-group, which basically lets you share to all of those groups you just joined in one click, making it completely effortless. Because the normal traditional way of sharing is by clicking this little button over here. The problem with that, it only lets you share to one group at a time. Like, you can't just select the boxes and check everything. You can't do that. The only reason this is possible here is because of this Chrome extension, which basically lets you share to all the groups. So the way I'm going to do it right now is I'm literally going to go back. I'm going to click on multi-group over here, and that will open up the same box. Then I'm going to click on load all, because I want to load all of my new groups that I just joined, all the real estate groups that I just joined. And once they're all loaded, I'm going to be sharing my post into every single one of these groups. And the reason why this is so powerful is because this is the right audience for my specific product. So if I have a real estate listing and I'm trying to reach the real estate people that are relevant to buy this property, then what I'm going to do is basically join the groups in the area that are looking for that property. And once it's all loaded here, you're going to see I'm going to be selecting them. Just wait 1 second. Let's see all the real estate groups load. All right, 1 more second. All right, now that all 243 groups have loaded, I have to click the search button. Now over here, I can literally just type real estate. Whoopsie, real estate. And now all of these 65 real estate groups, which I just joined, by the way, just now, I can click on select all over here, and now they're all selected, and I can share to all 65. This is a no-brainer. But before I do that, I can save this list of groups as a preset just by clicking on save as preset, and that way I can write all my real estate groups. And that way they're saved into a preset, and whenever I come back, I don't have to do this whole search process again. I can just click on presets and click on all my real estate groups, and then it will literally just send to all of those groups, which is absolutely incredible. So I can organize my presets into area depending what area the property is, and this is just insane. Alright, so the last step of this process, and save this video so you can always come back to it, is to click on share to 65 groups. And when I click on that, it's going to say, would you like to add like a blurb? You know, when you share your real estate, you can write something here like, check out this insane deal, it's half price. Do you know what I mean? But I'm going to write something else. So I just wrote, close more real estate deals when you share to all groups automatically using this free extension. And now for me, because I'm not actually selling real estate, I'm selling this Chrome extension. It's going to do the work for you. I can change the delay between each post all the way from 100 seconds to 3 seconds. And you can add a randomized delay to protect your account if you're going to be posting to a lot of groups. Like if you're doing 20 groups, you can just leave it at 3 seconds. But if you're doing like 100 groups, 200 groups, a randomized delay can help protect your account, and that's completely your choice. Now I'm going to click share now, and what you're about to see is the magic. Now you can see the magic happening. It's literally going to start posting this into all of my groups, which is absolutely incredible. Check this out. It's posting my post, and it's going to write the blurb over here, and it's going to post my real estate listing to all of the group. Check this out. Check this out. Absolutely incredible. So it's posting to the first one, and then it's going to post to all of these groups. Now, I just joined these groups right now. You watched me do it. I never had these 500,000 members available to me to promote to them. This is just a brand new audience, exactly the market I'm looking for. And here you go. It's just doing one after the next. It's literally sharing one after the next, and it can share to all your groups in one go. You can either select all, or you can search and find the exact groups and just watch this magic happening. Absolutely incredible. It's posting one at a time. Absolutely incredible, and it's going to just keep going on. As you can see, so far it's done 2 out of 65, but in about half an hour it'll have done my entire new group list, groups which I just joined right now. And this is the way you're going to be closing more deals. Marketing is the solution. Stop adding features and start marketing. If you want this, ask for the link. It's probably in the description, or type MGSA in the Chrome Web Store. You'll find it straight away. See you in the next video, and bye for now.